Hello everyone, this is your instructor here and I'm going to show you how to put and embed a video into your screen. This right now in front of you is the page of your group project on the blog, and if you go down to the middle of mine you can see I've got a paragraph here introducing it, and then right now there's a video here and a link, but how to put another video in there so that it appears like this one, which is embedded. And it's an easy way to do it, actually. The first thing you would do is go to your page where you have all of this stuff on your blog, where you can edit it. And I'm going to get rid of these videos right here, actually. Let's see here. And I'll get rid of this link here, too. Well, I'll leave the link. And down here, below the link, I'm going to put a video in. And if you see up here, it says Insert Image up on the toolbar, and there's also Insert a Video. This is the way to do it. Click on the video thing, and then just say from YouTube or from my YouTube. And if you say from my YouTube, then it'll load all of the videos that you have in your YouTube account, which is a Google account also. So I'm just going to choose one here, like choosing and using images. I click on that and then I say select, and there it is. It's right there. So I don't even have to worry about embedding codes or anything. So that's how you would put a video there. And now you have your paragraph and your video. And don't forget to say update at the end. And there it is. Now if I look at the blog and I go to group project, go down here, I should see, there it is, my paragraph and my video. If I click on this, it starts playing it for everybody without having to go to YouTube. But they can also make it bigger, like that way. Okay. And it plays the video for everybody to see. Okay? Very good.